Well, yeah, what I'm just doing, and I should do this more often, is just sort of giving the guitar a little bit of a clean. Now, I don't think that cleaning your guitar will make it play any better at all, but it will make you play better because it just feels nicer to pick it up. Yeah, it just feels nicer. Now, every guitar shop will sell something like this. I don't know which is better and which is worse. It's just a, you know, a sort of stuff that just, as I say, it makes the instrument just feel a bit nicer. And if it feels nicer, as I say, it won't make the instrument play any better, but it will make you play better, I think. You know, tools, whatever sort of tool it is, whether it's a chisel or a plane or a saw, if it's looked after and cared for, yeah, it just feels nicer in your hand. As I say, I should do this more often, but you know, we live in that sort of world where we don't have time to do all the things we should do, and somehow cleaning guitars doesn't get the baby washed too often. Right. Better. Okay, the only last thing to do before we make noises with this, right. Keep your fingernails trimmed on your fretting hands. Yeah, the one that you all seem to like, which I can't play, but there we go. Missed. Ha! You will do a lot of that when you're learning. One of the other things that ought to be spoken about at some stage is which finger does what when you're finger picking. This little finger stays at home, anchors your hand to the guitar. This little finger does the bottom string. This finger does that string, that finger does that string, and this one does those three. And the book will tell you that. The book will explain how you anchor the hand with your little finger. And you use these three fingers. Now, I suggest that you actually go and look at some videos by someone like Mark Knopfler, because he will say, yeah, you learn all this, and then you get carried away and you end up using the thumb down there and that finger up there. But to start with, be disciplined. It's a beautiful tune if you remember how to play it.